I will now show you how to whiten your teeth in photos. You can make your teeth look whiter. For this, we will use the Snapseed app. We will use the group of tools called brush. There you will find that you can paint with the part that says dodge, exposure, temperature, and with saturation. First, use the temperature, set it to -5 and zoom in on the image. Run your finger over the teeth until they look white without letting them turn blue. When you tap where you tapped before, they will turn bluer. Next, use the dodge tool and swipe until they look bright without it being noticeable that it is. And then swipe with the saturation tool set to -5 to remove both yellow and blue tones so it looks neutral and more natural.